how's it going? Today we are going to play some more Minecraft.
Yeah,
And
go.
why am I standing here? Okay, forgot it. Look.
Don't stand as great. No.
Okay, look.
So
we
we
found
have
creative
getting
chest.
us a
Hey.
shield and a helmet.
Yeah, look. We made a shield and a helmet, and I made some shield and a helmet for Aiden also. Just to look, 2 helmets.
Right.
Okay, and last episode we
why
found
is
a
this
ravine.
chest here? What's that?
For storing stuff, of course.
But nothing's there.
Still, just for fun. And last episode we found a cave here. No, a ravine.
Ravine.
Yeah, that's
I
so
still
good.
go there.
Yeah, we just waited. Like we'll explore the ravine in the video. So, wait, am I going on the right direction?
I have no idea. You don't know.
Oh, I'm not one. Come on, did I just get stuck here?
Come on.
Oh no, what's this? This cave is so big. I don't know even where it is. The ravine.
Okay.
I think it's the. Nope. I know it was somewhere. Oh yeah, I think it's this way. Is it this the ravine? No, it's so dark.
Do you know the
I
way
can't
back?
see anything. Wait, I'll just.
Yeah, I have to.
No, I think no. It's no.
Okay,
There's
let me
ravine.
take my torches.
This is another cave, but we found a ravine actually, but we don't know even where it is.
Okay,
What
wait.
the
Please try to find the fire.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
Oh wait, I found the ravine. Come on.
Okay.
Radish, come here.
Yes.
I found the ravine. Look.
Where?
Come here and go inside this. And here is the ravine. Not yet. It's here. Look. Oh my gosh. And I see iron already.
You were stacked up here.
Yeah, I made a crafting table a long time ago.
Oh, you have a staircase?
No, I was creating it halfway while I was not recording it, but I still did not finish it. And look, I'm mining iron with the iron pickaxe. Wow, great news.
I'm gonna jump in the water. See you later, boy.
How will you come up? How will you come up?
I'll build stairs. I don't care.
You don't care?
No.
No.
Alright. Wow! I got 2 iron here.
It's so scary here to walk.
Okay,
Wait, I'll make this double thing. Then it will be not scary. No! Oh my gosh, no.
Where?
Climbed up.
And what? Oh, from more iron. Thank you. Bye.
You take it. But how will you climb
Maybe
up?
after this ravine video,
Yeah.
after going up, you can get some full armor.
Okay, this episode is all about ravines.
No?
Yeah, of course. It's all about
No.
ravine. No, it
You have
is.
to build a house.
No, we are not going to build a house. Oh yeah,
Yes,
I
we
forgot. Still we don't have a house. We just kill zombies tonight.
Okay.
Yeah, best way of life.
Oh, I found another part of it.
Oh my gosh.
What? I found slime.
What? That's a slime that that thing.
Wait. Why is it hitting me?
Yeah, it's an enemy. If you kill that, you'll get that slime. Yeah.
Okay, I killed one. Oh my, it's big baby.
Yeah, I know.
No, it's so tough.
Oh, you don't know about that
Two
thing.
down, 3 down.
Oh my gosh, you don't know about that.
1 hit there. Okay, I got some slime balls.
Yeah, that
Wait,
will.
this is to make pistons, right?
Yeah. Maybe. Okay, wait.
I got
Jagdish.
that from Google.
Oh no! Oh my gosh! No, I got just scared. Jagdish, I'm making a
I found
staircase.
some area with some torches.
I'm making a staircase. Don't worry.
I found an area with some torches.
No, I
No,
don't.
actually not torches. I think
Oh
light.
wait, we found it.
What's
Yeah.
this? Where is it?
I'm just digging the way
Lava.
down. Way better. What? You found lava?
Yeah.
Oh, I
you
see
turn
that.
coordinates so we can find diamonds?
Okay, yeah, I'll turn on. Enable this
Oh,
thing.
You-
Jagdish,
Oh my god. I'm at 4 hearts now.
I enabled you that thing.
Now
Coordinates.
we are on 28. We need to go to 12.
Yeah, for diamonds.
Do you know I just got 4 hearts now?
How?
Because I just went into lava.
I'm just digging the stairs down for you.
Okay.
Jagdish, I made a staircase to our world.
And I'm so far from it.
Okay, wait. I'll just make it like this because so that
I
we
have
know
no
that.
idea how am I going to get out. Well, okay.
Yes. Now let me check whether I can find some.
I'm at 11, so we can find diamonds.
I think this is a big cave, right? Is it? The
can't see the
ravine.
cave,
It's
right?
a ravine. It's a ravine.
Wait, I'm at 12. I can find diamonds.
What the heck?
I found gold. That's right.
What? You're that deep! Oh my
I
gosh.
just built a staircase.
No,
A small one.
you're that deep to me. What the heck?
I'm in 12 now.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, I see your
You
staircase.
can jump. You can
Jagadish, I see your staircase. Oh my. What?
Is it well built? After that, I just jump over the
Wait.
water.
Oh, no, it's not. It's not that well. But I see your cobblestone stairs.
Yeah. It's
Oh,
good.
I'm going.
Free to use.
I'm trying to find some
But
iron.
later I'll charge diamond for it.
Oh, no.
Yes, I found gold. Oh, I found it already, but I want to mine it now.
You have iron pickaxe?
Yes, I did.
Then no.
I did it in my last video.
I don't know that. I'm just.
Why don't you see my...
I won't see your videos.
Nothing. I just went off shit.
Oh my gosh, I just got a message. Okay, who guess? I'm just
Why
gonna.
don't you turn off notifications?
But
But please hit
it's.
that bell in my channel because I won't be that annoying.
Yeah. Not like the other guys who'll upload a video 2 times a day. I won't upload 2 times a day.
I upload once a week.
I don't even upload once. I don't even upload once a week. So rare. I'm so rare. I'm a famous YouTuber. That's why.
You say so.
Yeah.
No.
I just made 16 torches. Oh, I'm
I
just
forgot how much subscribers are you?
me.
Yeah.
20.
Okay. I'm like almost 3 times of it.
I'm so much iron. It's so good. I'm just mining all the iron with the iron pickaxe.
I don't care.
Did you find diamonds?
I found redstone.
That means you're near diamond.
Hey.
If you find redstone, then wait, is that a call?
Wait.
What?
Whenever I mined that redstone, I saw something blue in that. Wait.
What?
What? Why is it showing? No. I think my game was not even showing where diamond is.
Really?
Whenever I broke that redstone
Oh.
block, it shows something blue. No, I think it's somewhere here.
Diamonds?
Yeah. Now it's not
Yeah.
because I'm breaking
That means we have found diamonds in our second episode. Do you believe it?
I kind of did it now, but
Yeah.
I'll do my best.
Just. I'm at 44 now.
I'm 12. We find more.
You're way deeper than me. I think I see a torch track. I can see a torch track. Because you placed some torches, right? Oh, I see that. Pragadesh!
What?
Look above you.
Okay.
Wait, I'll build the stairs, okay? I'll build the stairs for you. Don't worry.
Okay. I'll show you the place where I said I found diamonds.
No.
I have to block this stupid lava or it's going to kill me.
Yes, I did it. Hey, I think we should block this water thing. Because that's so annoying here.
Oh no, we can use that to climb up.
No, it's not.
Oh, there's so much lava which says that there's some sort of dimension.
Yes! I'm just going to jump before the water. No, wait. There is water still there. Come.
So then here we go.
Okay, wait. I'm just going to cover it, guys. I don't even care now.
Can you get me a new pickaxe or can we make one?
Yes! Yes, I stopped the water, Pragadesh! That's obsidian. I get it.
What? I found a continuing cave.
Found the way out.
Oh yeah. Oh, grab the furnace. You will need it for your house.
Oh,
Maybe.
there is your food.
1 foot. 1 foot level I have.
We should kill. What the heck? We should have been prepared for our.
I have no idea how to.
Oh, I see a pig. I'm going to kill it. I don't even. Now I could. Wait, what is this? This is raw beef. I think it's changed. Okay, now I'm just gonna put it on furnace and cook, and I'm gonna eat it now. Yeah, I'm ready for eating it. And the video is like how much minutes long? Maybe like 25 minutes like
This
that.
is actually going to be my longest video.
Yeah, but don't worry, we'll just cut off of that.
Hey, how much minutes did we record till now?
25. Wait. 25 minutes and 45, 6, 47 seconds. It's going on.
Whoa, my storage is going up.
My exact timing. But right now when you're seeing it, it will be maybe like 13, 15 like that only. Because I'll just cut off of the...
Yeah, I won't cut that one.
Yeah. Wait. We need chicken. We need chicken for life. Not really.
Okay, I have to start the
Yeah.
farm first.
Okay. Yeah. And like 10 likes, I'll do that Pragadish game. That not Pragadish game. The which game Pragadish played. That Surgeon Simulator. What was that game called?
It's called
Surgeon Simulator, right? Yeah. I'm going to play that game also, okay? So, leave a like to check out how I play Surgeon Simulator.
First mission,
Yeah.
I didn't
Yeah.
succeed.
Practice is not successfully completed because I saw a video of that. Okay, so
Get some more views
let's
from
see how I will kill the Bob. His name is Bob, right?
Yeah.
I'll see how to kill the Bob. Yeah.
You're not supposed to kill him, but you killed 3 times.
But still, it's
But
just
I
for
killed
fun.
3 times.
Yeah. Still not passed the mission.
Okay, can we focus on building a
Yeah.
house?
Oh,
Do we have any resources? Like mine? Like that much?
no.
I want to get some wood.
I don't have anything for life.
I have like 11 wood.
I think I can build an axe.
I already did it.
What you did?
An iron one.
Yeah. That's what I
You
said.
steal my iron.
No, I gave your line back.
I saw that.
Come on, I just gave your.
Okay, just kidding.
I gave your line back and this.
Okay. I think my furnace does have fuel.
My axe.
Oh, I have an idea for that.
For
I
furnace.
actually saw this from this. What do you mean? Even Minecraft said it in the tutorial that if you put
Oh.
wood and it will get the charcoal, you can smelt it way more. So
But
it works. Okay, so we're gonna make it charcoal.
okay, I'll just start mining some. No, not mining. Breaking some trees. And I guys see you when I've successfully finished cutting the trees. Guys, I just came after cutting some trees, and I realized that I took so much wood, more than enough. Look at that. I have 6 stacks and 60 more. Oh my gosh, nearly. That means it's nearly 7 stacks full of wood. It's full enough for building a whole house, new house. So I'm not going to show you the full house building because I don't want to waste the time of you. So I'll just do a time lapse, okay? Hopefully you enjoy my building house time lapse. See you after the time lapse. Gosh, what? Did you find the horse?
Yeah,
Oh.
even with the saddle in there.
Okay. Okay, guys. I think we can finish this house in this episode because this episode is gonna be too long for us because it's already 43 minutes long.
Yeah.
Oh my
Oh, what?
It's 43 minutes long in my camera.
my
It's saying
phone-
43
my phone
minutes.
storage is seriously running out. Okay.
So we'll complete this house and see you guys in the next episode because we don't just want to waste time.
Okay, I
So
understand it.
yeah, we just
Thanks for watching.
finish it
Guys.
next time. Bye.